I don't think Trump's the type of guy to forget those things.
Oh, you don't? You don't?
Like, I'll get even with you somehow, you know.
Yeah. And
Some way.
he bides his time.
Yeah. It's going to be very interesting with these 340 some odd people, Paul, but proved it dirty. Wow.
Here. Who's that?
Howdy, fans.
Who's that picture of? The guy with no shirt.
Tonight, we're going to draw Milty the Clown.
Going with his wife.
Oh, that's Griner?
He looks like a guy, for Christ's sake.
He's got no shirt on.
He looks like a guy.
It is a guy.
Oh my God. Oh, this is sickening.
On top of everything.
Codenamed as
No, I saw the
Earth
paper.
renowned
Biden's approving,
tomfoolerist.
Gays can marry. Now, if you're a Christian,
Yeah.
what did Jesus say?
Exactly.
This guy will
Marriage
do
is
everything
comprised of a male and a female.
Yeah.
in his power to help you smile and to cheer up.
Unbelievable.
Milty the Clown
You can't make
has
this shit
capabilities like
You hear something, you hear
cooking
something
pies,
worse than what you just talked about.
has a rubber nose, juggling, can create his own jokes. Everything that a clown can do, he's a winner. There he is. He's a winner. A complete winner. That's all for now, folks. Good night.